We're going to offer up a collection today that really does celebrate our 25 years because we've been able to buy fabrics in such larger quantities. We've really been able to discount the prices to you. And we have done that because I think it's great to I think it's so important to have wonderful fabrics. We're going to start with, this is a cotton poly blend. It's mostly cotton. It's beautiful. It's light. It's actually like a denim, it's like a black twill. It's got a twill pattern through it, but it's so much lighter, but it would make a great pair of summer pants, a little jacket. It would just be really beautiful. Love this. This is a black with red and white. It is a rayon, 100% rayon. It's a woven, but it's companion fabric, same thing. I just think it'd be adorable to do a blouse with the two of these. I think it'd be just really cute. And we're seeing a lot of blouses for spring that are just kind of two colors done together. Love this. This has stretch just one direction. It's a poly cotton blend. Has a little gold flake to it, red and white with a little bit of gold layering on the outside. All of these fabrics are going to be at $9.99. This lace, we're seeing the lace all over. It's a woven lace. It's being used for sleeves, bodices, parts of outfits. It just is really, really nice. It lays nice. Very pretty. Very pretty. And then we have a border print that is just beautiful. It's a dual border. This has stretch in both directions. It is a beautiful wine color, and then of course with the floral pattern across the top. I mean, I think this has such great drape. You really could do this easily for a pair of pants. Just a, straight leg pair of pants, not wide, but or anything. It'd be so versatile. So these fabrics are just really beautiful. Cotton poly blend, cotton poly, cotton poly. These are 100% rayon, this is cotton poly, and they're all at $9.99. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.